Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Afang soup. This is one of my favorite African soups from Nigeria. It is a special vegetable soup made with Afang leaf. It is super delicious and very healthy too. Let's get straight into the video. To start with, I'll be boiling the protein first. I have cow skin here, tripe, and beef. In the pot, I'll add some water and boil them till soft and tender. That is the first step. I'll be adding some chopped onions, some seasoning cubes, and some salt to taste. I will add in some water enough to cook the meat. Give it a gentle stir, then cover to cook till soft and tender. As the meat is cooking on the fire, I'll be prepping other ingredients. When it boils halfway, I will add in the stockfish to cook together with the meat until very soft and tender. For this Afang soup recipe, you don't need an additional water to make the soup. Just the meat stock left in the pot is enough to make the soup. The meat is cooked now, so I'll be adding some water snails called ngolo. Then smoked catfish, washed and cleaned. Crushed habanero pepper. Some palm oil. Fresh shrimp blended together with crayfish. I'll be adding few seasoning cubes, then give it a stir and cover to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll be adding some unshelled periwinkles that is already washed, cleaned, thoroughly cleaned and trimmed, specially for this recipe. Periwinkle is a key ingredient in Afang soup. While it is cooking, I'll be pounding my Afang. I'll pound the Afang leaf into a pulp, but not too smooth. The second vegetable I'll be using for this Afang soup is African waterleaf, which I have selected carefully, washed and shredded. Then set it aside. Now I will be giving this soup a stir, then introduce the shredded water leaf into the pot. So I'll be adding the water leaf now. It's called water leaf because it has large content of water. After adding the water leaves, I will cover to cook for 2 minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. Afang soup is a special delicacy that is highly nutritious and very delicious. After 2 minutes, give it a good stir to combine. This Afang recipe is very rich and so easy to make. Try it out for your family and friends. I'll be adding the next ingredient now, which is shelled periwinkles. Then the Afang leaf. This is the Afang leaf that I pounded in my mortar. After adding the Afang leaves, I'll be adding some more palm oil. Cooking Afang soup requires enough palm oil. I'll be giving it a stir to mix, to combine well. After mixing the soup, you cover the pot to cook for a few more minutes so that the Afang leaves can cook well. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to everyone who finds time to watch my video. Thank you so much. I love you all. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please like and share my videos. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing food recipes. Our Afang soup is almost ready as I give it a stir at a minute intervals. You can pair and enjoy your Afang soup with fufu, any swallow of your choice, semo, eba, cornmeal, or plantain fufu. Whichever one you prefer, it's okay. I'll give it the last stir, then turn off the heat because it's cooked now. Don't forget to try this recipe and let me know the outcome in the comments section. It's cooked. I'll be serving my Afang soup with eba. I hope you like this recipe and I hope you will try it out. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.